Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Knowledge World with Anushka. Guys, this video is really going to be helpful for you all as herein I'll be discussing the answer sheet presentation tips for your board examinations. Before beginning, I recommend you all to kindly watch it till the end because some of the very important pointers have been highlighted in this video by me and are really going to be helpful in order to present your answers in a best manner in your boards. So let's start. The very first thing that I suggest you all to adopt or to do in your answers is to underline. Try to underline each and every subheading that has been included in the answer. Try to highlight and underline the important keywords that have been used. Now, why is this important? What we are doing, we are writing long answers in our answer sheets, which may not grab, or which may not impress the examiner. But highlighting important points from your answer, highlighting the important keywords, or highlighting those words that have been directly used from NCERTs can literally fetch you great marks. So try to underline each and everything that you find as important in your answers. But that does not mean that you will underline the whole answer. No. Again, it will be of no use then. You need to underline only the important keywords, the important, heading, subheading, and the words that have been used from the NCERTs, which you believe can fetch or can grab the attention of examiner. So don't forget to underline. The second thing is to increase the pictographic content. Now, what is pictographic content? By this, I mean that try to include as many diagrams, tables, charts, etc. as possible, because this will accentuate your answers. It will make your answer more noticeable and visible than writing them in the form of long paras. For example, you can draw a flowchart in case of history and political science. You can draw a small map in case of geography and can mark locations there. You can draw table graphs or diagrams in economics. You can draw flowcharts in various other subjects, in science subjects as well as in social science. So increase the pictographic content, because this is the thing, this is the pointer that will definitely give you an edge over the other students. It will have or put up a positive impression of your answers on the checkers. So kindly follow this. The next important tip from my side is to always write in points. Never write in paras except for language subjects like Hindi or English. Otherwise, if you're having theoretical subjects with you, then please do write in points according to the marks allocated for that particular answers. Try to write in points with properly highlighted subheaders or headers. Make the important points underlined or highlighted there. When you write in points, it gives a systematic arrangement to your answer. It gives a flow, a connectivity to your answers. To always write in points, this is very important. If you really need to fetch up the highest marks in your answer, do write in points. The next thing that we all have done as a student is to scribble or scratch. Now this becomes more prominent when we go for boards, because with boards come enormous amount of anxiety and stress, due to which somewhere or somehow we do some mistakes in our answers. We write some wrong words or something like that. So for that particular thing, I recommend you to cut a wrong word with just a dash line with a pencil or a pen, but please do not scribble or scratch them with the pen, because this will make your copy look dirty, unclean and messy, and will definitely put up a negative impression of your answers and of you in the front of the examiner. So please note this point. Try to avoid scribbling or scratching. The next thing, which of course is the most important, henceforth mentioned in the last, is the proper mentioning of question numbers and proper spacing. Now, you may change or reverse the order of your sections in your answer sheets. You may go with section D first and then followed by B, A, or C. But don't forget to write the question numbers properly. It should be clearly visible to the examiner so that he or she could make out that which number of question is being covered in that answer. And along with it, I would suggest one more thing personally is when you begin up with a section, just write on the top of the beginning that section A and whatever. For example, section A you are beginning with and it has all the 2 markers, then do write in the paragraph 2 marks question. If you note it up there, then it will or it won't misguide the examiner regarding the number of marks that have been allocated to the particular question. Along with it, write the things or the words in a properly spaced manner. Each answer should be written with properly spaced words. They should neither be too close nor too far away. There should be proper spacing between the words in order to make your answer more noticeable, presentable. Guys, so these were the various tips that I wanted to tell or inform you about that could be used by you in your answer sheets of boards. Now guys, I want to highlight its importance. Why it becomes so crucial and significant for us, to do all these things in our answer sheets. As we all know that we personally do not know the examiner. What we put up in front of the examiner is only our answer sheet. He do not know that you are a topper or you are a medium or average child. Whatever impression he gets is being seeing your paper. So it's better that to present your answer in such a grateful manner so that he or she is impressed by your answer and will fetch or would like to fetch more number of marks to you. So kindly go through these pointers before your boards and try to incorporate them in your daily lifestyle from now onwards, using them in your school exams or pre-boards and then boards. I hope you liked this video. Please share it with your friends as they may also find it helpful, and thank you so much for watching it. Kindly like and share it, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.